Camellias are a great all-purpose, all-season plant. They're really hardy and they offer up some much-needed colour during winter. Really popular in New Zealand gardens, I'm going to show you how to make sure they do well in yours.
For top results, plant in autumn so they can get established before it gets too warm, and the latest you want to get them in is September.
Think about where you'll be putting your camellias before deciding on a type.
But basically there's three main types to choose from. Sasanqua camellias are perfect for hedging. They have small, dark green leaves and flower early in the season. Japonicas have larger leaves and flowers, and hybrids which give you the best of both. There's also different flower forms like anemone, formal, peony and rose.
Now camellias love a really acidic type of soil.
So it's important to prep the soil before planting. Right, first up, I'll get some of our organic compost in to replenish soil nutrients. Next, I'm going to add peat. It'll improve soil quality and help get those high levels of acidity we're after. A bit of bark will help with general drainage in this bed. And lastly, a handful of aluminium sulfate, again for acidity. And then give the whole lot a good mixing through. I'm planting a hedge of Camellia Sasanqua Setsugeka.
So we've got all of our camellia placed out in a line. Because I want the hedge to fill in quite quickly, we've done them quite close together. Some of them have some quite strong lateral growth, so that's obviously going to help the hedge to fill in faster. So just twist them around to make sure that that is going in the right line.
And then get them in the ground.
Make sure you get your hole roughly twice as wide as the pot that the plant's coming out of. Now before the plant goes into the hole, just check it isn't too root bound, then gently ease it out. There's quite a few roots here, so just give them a light teasing before putting it in the hole. So now we're ready to backfill the hole. Just put in some sheep pellets around the edge, roughly a little handful. This is just going to be an extra natural booster. We're also going to add a little bit of extra peat. And then just backfill with the rest of our topsoil.
And finally, press down around the base to secure each plant.
Camellias love their water, and adding a good layer of mulch is going to help retain the moisture.
Keep your watering up year round, but you want to water from the base. Overhead watering can damage the flowers and invite disease. To keep acidic soil levels high, acid food has added sulfur for acidity and extra potassium K for great flowers. Keep an eye out for yellow leaves, which could mean your soil is too alkaline. Although camellias are pretty hardy, there are a couple of things to watch out for. Keep an eye out for mites. Black specks on the underside of the leaves might be thrips. Watch for scale insects, sooty mold, and early petal blight.
As always, if you're not sure what's bugging your plant, take a photo and come into store for some advice.
Camellias only need pruning to shape them, but they should thrive pruned or not. That means if you're growing a hedge or single bush, just trim the desired shape. With your tools, make sure they're clean and sharp. This is going to give you good cuts and help stop the spread of disease. If your area is prone to frost, get a frost cloth for winter.
Camellias are a great all-rounder. No matter which one you end up going with, they add a lot to the garden without needing much attention. And you can't argue with that.